What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to pair a phone to a 2022 BMW 7 Series using Bluetooth. So like I said, it's a 2022 7 Series in this video, but it will be the same on a few different years. I'm going to be demonstrating this on an iPhone. Other phones will be similar. The first thing you want to do is go into your phone's settings, go into your Bluetooth, and just make sure your Bluetooth is on. Now taking a look at our center screen, the first thing I'm going to do is go to the home menu that's in the upper left-hand corner. Go ahead and click on that. From here, I'm going to click the COM menu on the left-hand side. And then from this screen, I'm going to click Mobile Devices. And then over on the right-hand side, I'm going to click New Device. And it's going to be for phone calls and audio. Go ahead and click that. Now we'll grab our phone, and it's going to pop up as BMW with a number behind it. Go ahead and click on that. Then you want to make sure that the PIN number on your phone matches the PIN number on our center screen, and it does. So on the center screen, click Yes. And then on our phone, we'll click Pair. And this is just asking if I want to give it access to my contacts. I'm not going to set that up right now. And now we're connected on the phone. And then it will finish the connection on the center screen. And that's it. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.